मैं बैठा हूँ इधर, कोई कुछ नहीं कहेगा, किसी के पास यहाँ टीका सुई नहीं है, हैं? अभी वो डॉक्टर अंकल ना ऐसे करके चेक करेंगे आप, बस चलो ठीक है। दिस इज 7-year-old patient came on routine follow-up examination in cardiology OPD. Kindly examine the precordium and radar.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर आसिफ है। मैंने आपका मुआयना करना है। क्या नाम है आपका? नाम बताओ।
अभी चेक करते हैं। हाँ भाई, सुई को
इरफान को
ना छेड़ना, इरफान हाँ सुई को नहीं छेड़ना, ठीक है?
बस लेट जाओ, ऊपर हो जाए, शाबाश। तो कमीज उतार देंगे, बस बस।
हाँ उतार, मैंने इसीलिए एसी बंद करा दी कि ठंड ना लगे आपको, ठीक है? हाँ
चल बस। यहाँ पे कहीं दर्द तो नहीं है? और कितने बहन भाई हैं आपके? भरा, शाबाश। उधर मुंह करें, शाबाश। उठ के बैठे, शाबाश। लंबा सांस में ऐसे करके, शाबाश। एक और, शाबाश। हाथ दिखा रही, शाबाश। इरफान, अच्छे लड़के हो। बहुत अच्छे लड़के हो। लेट जाओ, पेट में दिन दर्द तो नहीं है? चल के दिखा दे, उठे, चल के दिखा दे, शाबाश। रुकते रुकते मैं उतारता हूँ। वहां हाथ लगा के आएंगे सामने से, रुकते वहां सामने भाग के जाओ, हाथ लगा के। शाबाश, वापस आ जाए, वापस आ जाए, शाबाश। चल वॉल भी आप देख सकते हैं। A 5-year-old child who is conscious cooperative during my examination with obvious cyanosis in room air and no respiratory distress. He is having normal shape recording with no visible bulge, pulsation, scar mark, apex breaches in fifth intercostal space and later to the midclavicular line with no parasternal heave upgrade. There is a epigastric heave present. My patient is having first heart sound is of normal quality. Second pulmonary component of second heart sound is short. There is 3/6 ejections, systolic normal, maximum heart left upper sternal area with no specific radiation. My patient is having cyanosis, clubbing, BCG scar is present. There is surgical scar mark of 3 cm at the head, at front of the head. And my patient is having no signs of infective endocarditis, and presently my patient is not in heart failure. Joints are normal and gait is also normal.
What is blood pressure?
So blood pressure of my patient is 100/70, which is normal according to his age.
So what is your diagnosis?
So my patient is most likely a case of cyanotic inflammatory heart disease with post-surgical scar mark at the head.
What's cyanotic heart disease?
So most probably it could be a case of petrology of pellet.
Any other difference?
Yes, sir. It could be a case of transposition of great arteries with ventricular septal defect and pulmonary stenosis.
Anything else?
Ventricular septal defect with pulmonary stenosis are double outlet by 20.
How will you investigate?
So I would do diagnostic investigation and supportive investigation for the complications of the disease. In diagnostic investigation, I would do echocardiography to see primary pathology for verification of infective endocarditis and for the other aberrant coronary artery or pulmonary adequacy of pulmonary vasculature. I would do chest X-ray, echocardiography and angiography.
Why will you do angiography?
So to see the pressures in the chamber and for the preparation of surgery.
How will you manage?
So I would, after confirming my diagnosis, I would answer the parents regarding disease, sports complication, and a management option. I would do supportive care, do medical management and surgical management. In supportive care, I would do the psychosocial counseling of the patient and nutritional rehabilitation. And after that, I would prepare my patient for the surgery. While awaiting for the surgery, I will treat my patient for relative anemia in the form of iron supplements and folic acid supplements. I would give treatment of any infection, and I would prevent the treatment and disease complication in my patient. And will monitor for will prevent infective endocarditis and will prevent heart failure.
Is there any role of propranolol?
Yes, sir. It is given in the prophylaxis and treatment of cyanotic spells. It reduces the infundibular spasm and increases the systemic vascular resistance.
Would you like to give this patient?
Yes, sir. I would give propranolol for the prevention spells.
When the surgery will be done?
Surgery will be done as soon as possible, ideally after the age of 6 months. But when the first cyanotic spell comes, our patient develops any signs of infected endocarditis, definitely surgery should be.
patient does not develop cyanotic spell or does not develop infective endocarditis, surgery should not be done.
Sir, ideally, we can wait till 1 year of age.
And after 1 year,
After 1 year,
still there is no spell, still there is no infective endocarditis.
yes, sir. We would monitor the patient for pulmonary hypertension, for pulmonary hypertension, and for the monitor the patient for infective endocarditis. If there is no spell and patient is good, fine.
Sir,
Then we can
patient, as I told you, as according to you, patient is 1 year, more than 1 year of age, there is no cyanotic spell and there is no infective endocarditis. What will you do?
So definitely surgery would be done after 1 year.
Thank you very much. But what about the scar on the head?
Sir, it would be it is surgical scar. It could be due to craniotomy or burr-hole craniotomy in the patient, as these patients develop brain abscess.
Why these patients develop brain abscess?
Sir, in cyanotic congenital heart disease, like trachologist said, there is a blood flow and embolus to the emboli are gone to the brain through carotid vessels. They seed there and develop brain abscess.
Why in these cyanotic heart disease they go?
Sir, due to polycythemia, there is sluggish blood flow and embolus formation, which seeds in the
Why the embolus formation is there? How can you say that the embolus formation is there? Why it is so? ठीक है बैठ चल भाई आजा